Hello everyone, welcome to ANDREI Crafts Show. Today's video I will show you how to make the autumn leaves. Get all the materials on the list and let's crochet together. To start off, make a slip knot and chain 10. To those who prefer a written pattern, feel free to write down all the text that will pop out on your screen. Once you have chained 10, insert your hook in the second stitch from your hook. Make a single crochet in the next 8 stitches. And in this last stitch here, we will put 3 single crochet. Your work should look like this. So now we will be working on this side, but I will show you also how the pattern goes. After you chain 3 in the same stitch, you make 6 single crochet in the next 6 stitches. Bear in mind that we start in the center part of the leaf. Once you reach the 6th single crochet, we'll stop here and we'll turn our work. For a better understanding, we'll start here and goes here and then back and forth. We are done with our preparation, so in this row we will be working a single crochet back loop only. So after you chain 1 and turn work, skip that first stitch and insert your hook in the second stitch and make 6 single crochet in the next 6 stitches. Always remember, once you reach in the middle, we don't do back loop. If you are a beginner, you can put a stitch marker here. Always put 3 single crochet in one stitch. After that, continue doing the single crochet back loop only. On this side, you must have a total of 7 single crochet. You can always refer to the text that shows on your screen if you don't understand what I'm saying. Once you finish making 7 single crochet back loop only on this side, do a chain 1 and then turn work, skip first single crochet and then insert into the second, make a 7 single crochet in the next 7 stitches back loop only. Then again, once you reach in that center, make 3 single crochet in the same stitch. After the 3 single crochet in the same stitch, make 6 single crochet in the next 6 stitches back loop only. Once you're done, chain 1, turn work, insert in the second stitch, make 6 single crochet, back loop only in the next 6 stitches. And then again in the middle you will put 3 single crochet in both loops, and then after that make 7 single crochet, back loop only in the next 7 stitches. Once you have 7 stitches, chain 1, turn work, and then make a 7 single crochet, back loop only in the next 7 stitches. So this is the end of our center lift. So after putting 3 single crochet in the middle, we will start our side lift. So this side lift, first ridge to 5th ridge, you will be doing the same pattern on the other side lift. So make sure you put or write down the text on your screen so you will know how or which pattern you will repeat. After you did the 3 single crochet in the middle, you must have 6 single crochet, back loop only before we start. So this is how the pattern goes, like this. On this part, we will make chain 3, single crochet in the second stitch, and then another single crochet in the next stitch, and then make a 3 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, but back loop only. So basically you're just doing 2 single crochet where you make your chain, and then 3 single crochet, back loop only, attaching to the center leaf. So at this time we will do chain 1, turn work, and then make 4 single crochet, back loop only. Remember, this is our second ridge. After chaining 4, make chain 2 and then turn work, 1 single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and then 4 single crochet, back loop only in the next 4 stitches. Once you're done making your 4 single crochet, back loop only, we will add 1 more single crochet and we will insert it in our turning chain from the previous row, so this part here. And after that, slip stitch, turn work. As you can see, I slip stitch in the center leaf. We will turn works, the same thing, chain 1, turn work, skip that first stitch from the hook and insert it in the second, and at this time make 5 single crochet, back loop only. After you make 5 single crochet, back loop only, turn your work and then make 4 single crochet, back loop only, and then again find that hole that you did for turning chain from previous row and make another single crochet, and then after that slip stitch, and then repeat for the 4th ridge. After we're making the fourth to fifth ridge, we're going to this side to make the other side leaf. I assume you already finished your fourth and fifth ridge. Just refer to the text if you want to know the counting of each round. So this time I will start going to the other side of the leaf. From the middle, make 8 single crochet back loop only to start your second side leaf. After this preparation, repeat the pattern from the first ridge to fifth ridge. Remember, the pattern we're talking about is the first side leaf, not the center. This is the part of the video that I'm just repeating what we did in the first side leaf. So basically, I'm just showing you how you will do it on this second side leaf. So please refer to the text that's shown on your screen. Finally, we are finished, so we are going to do the stem part. After you did the slip stitch, you just have to chain 5 and then insert the hook in the second stitch, make 4 single crochet, and then slip stitch in the main leaf, and then that's it. Waving in the end is very basic in crochet, so go on, wave your end. And the most important thing in crochet is the blocking. So all big, small project you have, always remember to block your project. On this project, I block it with fabric glue, so the mixture is 1:2, 1 teaspoon of fabric glue and then 2 teaspoons of water. That's it on this video. I hope you like it, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.